Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that could change your thoughts about nerve health. We'll discuss a specific vitamin that has shown promise in reversing nerve damage. Nerve health is crucial for our overall well being, affecting everything from our ability to feel sensations to our muscle control. When nerves are damaged, it can lead to a condition known as neuropathy, which can significantly impact daily life. Symptoms like tingling, numbness, and pain can overwhelm even simple tasks. Understanding neuropathy is essential because it affects millions of people worldwide, often leading to chronic discomfort and reduced quality of life. By exploring the role of this vitamin, we aim to shed light on how it can support nerve regeneration and alleviate some of these distressing symptoms. Whether you're dealing with neuropathy or looking to enhance your overall nerve function, this information could be a game changer. So, stick around as we uncover the science behind this vitamin and how it can help you reclaim your life from nerve damage. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, occurs when the peripheral nerves that transmit signals between the brain and the rest of the body become injured or dysfunctional. This condition can manifest in various ways, with symptoms ranging from sharp pain and tingling sensations to numbness and weakness in the affected areas. For many, these symptoms can be debilitating, affecting daily activities and overall quality of life. There are several common causes of nerve damage. One of the most prevalent is diabetes, where high blood sugar levels can lead to diabetic neuropathy, causing significant nerve impairment over time. Physical injuries, such as fractures or compression from repetitive motions, can also damage nerves. Exposure to toxins, including heavy metals and certain medications, can further contribute to nerve dysfunction. Recognizing and addressing nerve damage early is crucial. The longer nerve damage goes untreated, the more challenging it can become to reverse or manage the symptoms. Early intervention can improve outcomes, potentially preventing further complications and improving nerve health. By understanding the causes and symptoms of nerve damage, individuals can take proactive steps to seek treatment and explore options for recovery. The following sections explore how specific vitamins and supplements can support nerve health. Vitamin B12 is emerging as a crucial player in nerve health and regeneration. This essential vitamin is vital for producing myelin, the protective sheath surrounding nerves, ensuring efficient signal transmission. When B12 levels are adequate, it supports the repair and maintenance of nerve cells, which can be particularly beneficial for those experiencing nerve damage. Research has shown that supplementing with vitamin B12 can improve symptoms associated with neuropathy, making it a key nutrient for nerve recovery. So, where can you find vitamin B12? It is primarily found in animal-based foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. For those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, fortified foods and supplements are excellent alternatives to ensure adequate intake. Many people may not realize they are at risk of B12 deficiency, especially older adults, and those with certain medical conditions that affect absorption. Despite its significant role in nerve health, there is a surprising lack of awareness surrounding vitamin B12's benefits. Many individuals may overlook this vital nutrient when considering their overall health and wellness. By educating ourselves about the importance of vitamin B12, we can take proactive steps to support our nerve health and potentially reverse nerve damage.